Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to swap crypto on Bitget wallet, and I'm going to show you how to do this on Bitget wallet application. So this tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, once you have logged into your wallet, you want to go ahead on wallet option in the right corner at the bottom, and from here you're going to see your tokens which you have. And for example, you want to go ahead and swap USDT coin. So to do this, you're going to click on it and click on swap option, the third button. And here it is where you can go ahead and exchange it. Now, as you can see, the USDT is on TON network, so you can only exchange on the same TON network. So for example, you want to exchange the dogs, you're gonna go ahead do that, enter how much you want to exchange, and that's how much of the dogs you would get. You can go ahead and change the current slippage, the price impact, and that's basically it. After that, you're just gonna click swap, and your coin will be swapped into another token. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Bye.